you are welcome to Crypto Army. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make millions of dollars on this platform that you see right here. This is Crypto's OTC trading platform. So without much ado, let's run straight to it. But know that if today is your first time here and you really want to be a millionaire or a billionaire in the future, day in and day out, I drop videos on how to make millions of dollars online. So if you want to be part of this group, make sure you subscribe to my channel and you leave a like on this video. Without much ado, let's get started. Now, in my previous video, I promised that I will showcase my account and show you guys how to make $1 million on Crypto's OTC trading platform. So let's get started. Now, after depositing, I've already done a video on how to deposit. After depositing in your account, right now I hold let's go to my transaction hall. I hold 19,585 in my account. I started with just $500 and look at what I have in my account now. It is mind-blowing, right? You can also get this. So I have a couple of people who holding about 100,000, a million, and it's very simple, and I'm going to show you how to get there too. This is money. Whatever you see here, 19,587, it's money. It's US dollars. So you transfer this money. If you want to transfer it, you can transfer it onto your Binance account and trade it to get your money that you want. So let's get started. Now, I started with $500 and look at where I am now. Now, let's make an analysis. First of all, let me go to Google and show you guys something. There is something we call the compound interest calculator. So compound interest calculator. Now we are coming to calculate what we will get if we invest into this platform. Now let's say I start with $100. Now with this $100, the interest rate on the platform is 3.6, but let's make it 3. Now we are not trading for a year, we are trading for, okay, it is daily. Okay, the 3% is daily, and the month, let's say give yourself 9 months from now to December. So it's from now to December is 9 months. Now look at this. You choose daily, then what do? We check what we are going to make. Okay, so let's calculate. So if we are to deposit $100, we are going to get 326,730. Now I promise to show you how to, if you really want to get $1 million, how will you do it? Okay, so let's say we have $300 in our account, and let's calculate. What are we going to get? We'll get 980.192. okay, so probably $400 will get us there. Okay, so with $400 in our account, we will get $1 million and 1.3 million dollars. Okay, so this is what we are going to get. Now with this, every blessed day you are going to make how much? Your first day, this is what you started with 0 days, $400, and the first month you are going to make 982 throughout the whole 9 months. This is what you are going to make. Isn't this beautiful? It is very beautiful. Okay, so this one is the amount you are going to make without referral. Now let's go to my page. Now let's see. let's go to mine, and let's go to my team. Okay, so on this platform, these are the people that I have referred. So far I've gotten $43 out from them, and so on. So if the people that you have referred, they also refer people, they will come to your level 2 and the level 3. Okay, so the moment you register and you be under my group, you are going to benefit 15% out of every trade that you make, and you are not even going to see that. So on this platform, I make right now, this is $43 extra that I have made from this platform for free. Now this is my total asset. If you want to learn how to trade, it's simple. Right now I have accumulated all my my assets in my account. So you just go to the transaction hall, then you come here. Now there is nothing in my transaction, so I'll press here. So the platform will search for a buyer for me to buy my USDT. So I sell it to the platform and I get my profit. Okay, so this is all that you'll be doing, and you'll be making money. This is very easy. So within 1 minute you are going to complete this task. Okay, so you sell, the company will link you to a buyer, then you sell your assets to the buyer. Then you press it again until your wallet is below $5. Okay, so let's get through. And you press sell, confirm, you press immediate competition for others, then you press sell. Then you press immediate competition for others again. And you press sell. Okay, so you press immediate competition for others. Then you press okay, sell. Now you press confirm. So here it is below 5, so you can't trade this asset. Okay, so at the end of 2 hours, depending on your time, so from here you check the time that your profits will come. So you come here, we started trading from here, and look at this one. You can calculate the number of profits that you can make every 2 hours. So you just add this thing together, and you are going to get the number that you get after the trade. Now the 10 is in transaction. At the end of the 2 hours, you will get your profit. This one is giving me $30. This one is giving me 14. This one is 9. This one is 2. This one is 7 cents, and this one is 0.006. Okay, so this is what I'm going to get at the end of the trade. So if I want to know the time that my trade will be due, I just pressed any of these and I look at the amount of income, so and the time of income. So for it is 7.5 from my here, 7.5 from my country, Ghana. I just have to add 4 hours to it, then I'll know the time. This is United States time currently at this moment. So you just from here you just add 4 hours, then you get my country time. So that is that. This is all that you are going to do, and at the end of every tour, this account actually makes $600 every day. I make $600 every day on this account, and it is not always $600. If today is $600, tomorrow is worth more, $650, the next day is $700, and it is growing. Guys, this is mind-blowing. If this account, I should leave this account from now to December. Let me show you what I will get. So 19,000, let's do it. 19,000. Let's go back to our calculator and put this here. 19,000. Let's calculate what I am going to get. Look here, this is $62 million. So if I call this app the Millionaires app, am I lying? If you really want to be a millionaire and you are a crypto person, seriously, I want you to get onto this platform and start making money. This is full of, I started trading on this platform right from January, and this thing has been in existence for quite a long time. So there is no need to doubt this app. Maybe you can also do your own research on this app. This is not financial advice, but this is just an educative video showing you how to make money online. If somebody tells you there is no money online, the person is lying to you. So this is how to get it. And the moment you get here, if you want, anytime you want to transfer your money, you don't trade the money. You make sure that you press your withdrawal, then you follow the necessary steps that you have to follow. Because I have traded the amounts that I have, my available balance is just $3. And with the before you send money out of this account, you have to do even a facial verification. So this app is not a joke. If you really want to do research about this app, you can do a lot. And from my own research, this app is a legit app, and I have made, this is not just the money amount that I have made. I have made series of money, about 50,000. This is just one of my accounts that I am showing you guys. My major account is mind-blowing than this, seriously. So if you want to sign up onto this platform, go to the link in my description, click on that link, follow the necessary steps. I've already done the video on this app. If you've not signed up on Binance, make sure that you click on this particular link. The moment you click on this link, you are going to make 10% out of what I make on Binance. Now you are going to click on that link and sign up. Make sure you deposit. In order to enjoy that benefit, make sure that you deposit more than $50. So $100 is okay. You transfer it onto this platform and you make money. Guys, if this video was insightful, consider subscribing to my channel, and I'm going to show you guys more information and more insight to be a millionaire and to be a billionaire. So if this video was helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up to this video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.